Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my Valentine's Day decorating. Now, I don't go crazy with my Valentine's Day decorations, but I do like to put little touches here and there all over the house. So I've got a few items from last year and I picked up a couple of things this year, and I'm just gonna take a few minutes and put them around my house. Now, I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning up too. It's not super messy. I only have a few things to clean up, thank God, because I don't feel like cleaning today. I have some cooking to do, so that's mostly what I'll be doing with my evening. But first I'd like to get those decorations put up, so I'm gonna get started with that. But first, if you guys are new to my channel, I do all sorts of videos like this. My dishwasher is going off right now, but I do all sorts of videos like decorating and cleaning and just motivational videos where I am just keeping up with the house and with everyday life and raising my kitties. So if you guys are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. And I'm going to get started with my video. Alright guys, so this is what I have for my Valentine's Day decor. I've just got a few window stickies here. I picked up this cute little garland, but I noticed a couple of pieces are coming apart, so I'm going to take my glue gun and put these back together. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. And then I've got this cute little string, I don't know what you call this, a string wreath. So I'll be putting that up. My little sign that I got from the Target dollar spot last year. I also got these. Now this is heart clip garland, so I guess it's something you can put your pictures on, pictures and cards and whatnot. So if you have any pictures of yourself and your loved one for Valentine's Day, you can always put those up and it would look really cute. And I just got some pink flowers. Don't mind that noise upstairs. The kids are playing, I think like Lego or giant Jenga or something. It's making a whole bunch of noise. But yeah, I've got these little pink flowers I will be putting up and some cute little tea towels. That's about all that I have right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those up and start tidying. I know you guys love my clean with me videos, but my all-time favorite are my holiday clean with me videos where I get to add my holiday decorations as I'm cleaning around the house, and that's what we'll be doing today. So I'm just putting up these tea towels and I just love the cute little lovebirds on them. They are so cute. I paid $3 each for these tea towels at my local dollar store. Next, I picked up these pink roses from the dollar store as well. Now, I was a little bit worried that they were going to look cheesy and cheap, but I did have an idea. So I picked up this mason jar and it has the chalkboard label on it. So I'm just going to write the word love on the label, just give it a little bit of Valentine's feel to it. And then I'm going to take the roses and I'm going to cut them off of the main stem at different sizes, because this gives it a little bit of dimension and a little bit more visual appeal. It looks a little bit more real as well. So I think that it turned out really, really well, and I definitely would do this again. I may actually go out and buy a couple of more of these jars and the flowers to place them around the house. I'd really like to put one on my night table as well. See, doesn't this look super cute? I'm so happy how it turned out. Okay, so next I have my little heart clothespin wreath here, and I wasn't quite sure where I was going to put this, but ultimately I decided to put it on my mantle, and I think it looks perfect there because Valentine's decorations, there's like a fine line between cheesy and cute, and I thought this was just the right amount of Valentine's decor on my mantle without making it look too junky.
sunset, a flavor of a memory. Whenever all the stars above.
So after I did all of this work gluing the pieces back together to make it one long garland, I ended up deciding to break it apart and use it in a couple of different places. One of the spots that I decided to hang it is here in the powder room. I think this is the perfect amount of Valentine's decor in here. Just on the mirror, it's perfect.
Then I know I'll never ever be alone.
This bathroom is fairly tidy because I did clean the house very, very well a few days ago, but the sink does have some water spots and a little bit of residue, so I'm going to wipe that down.
Whenever I see you, you stole my heart. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're mine.
Here I'm just going to write a cute little Valentine's Day message on my letterboard. I don't switch it up too often, but I am in the mood to do it today. So I just went on Pinterest and found a couple of Valentine's Day quotes, and I liked this one. I thought it was good because it's not just for yourself and your hubby, it can include your kids too.
World on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do?
I decided I didn't like the positioning of the letters, so I am just going to move them down a little bit here.
Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others.
So moving on to my bedroom, I do have some pops of purple in the room already, which is really nice because this will match nicely with my Valentine's Day garland here. So I'm just going to put this cute little garland just strung on my headboard, and that's about the only thing that I'm going to put in here. Other than the mason jar of pink flowers that I would like to put on my nightstand, that's about all that I'm going to do in here, but I really, really love the way this looks. I just walked into the room again this evening and it just looks so pretty.
My world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
I have a few of these little window stickies and they're just a bunch of hearts, and I'm just going to throw those on my vanity mirror. It looks super cute here. Now this bathroom is like the central bathroom. Everybody comes in here, not the guests, just us and like my hubby and I and the kids. We use this bathroom all the time. I think the boys just like the bathtub in here. It's really deep and they really like our shower. And I don't mind them using it, but it does get a little bit cluttered with toothbrushes and toothpaste and floss and whatnot. So I'm just going to wipe down the counters and I'm going to wipe out the sink. I am so obsessed with my Dyson, especially with this attachment. This attachment is so handy to clean your couches and small areas. I just vacuumed this carpet this morning, but I think our dog must have gotten a muffin because I found a muffin wrapper and some muffin crumbs. So I'm just doing some spot cleaning here instead of pulling out the big carpet attachment because I just have this one on and it's just much easier. You may have noticed I've been using a lot of floral scents for my cleaning today. I'm going with that for my Valentine's Day theme. So I'm using my Caldrea Rosewater and Driftwood to clean my counters right now, and it really smells so amazing. I love that one. I also used my Mrs. Meyer's Lilac earlier, so everything's kind of floral scented right now, and it smells super great. I know my counters don't really look dirty right now, but there are some sticky spots and there is a little bit of crumbs and stuff on the other end, so I wanted to give it a really good wipe so that it's nice and shiny and nice and clean, and it smells amazing in my kitchen now. Okay guys, so this is it for my Valentine's Day clean and decorate with me. I hope you guys got a couple of ideas to decorate your house. Mine was really simple this year. I just added little pops of Valentine's here and there, and I really like how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!